Hello, this is Michael from the Pierce County Beekeepers Association, and this is a quick video to show you how to add new events to the calendar. So first of all, I'm assuming you've got your account set up and you've got the right level of access. You need to be at least editor in order to be able to do what I'm getting ready to show you. So you're logged in here and you should see the menu items across the top, and we're going to add a new event. So I'll take you to the event screen, and let's just for fun, let's do the Christmas party or holiday party, whatever you want to call it. We can set up all-day events. This party won't be all day. We'll set a specific start time and a start date. Let's make this in December. Let's call it the 15th. And 4:36 a.m. would suck, so let's change that to about let's call it 6 and 8:15. Sure, good enough. All right, and this is the time zone. The default is Pacific time zone. You can also, for calendar events, have repeating events. An example of this might be a meeting. So if you select this, you'll get another pop-up, and you can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly events. Maybe it's happened on the same day each month, or maybe it's a particular day of the week. Let's say the first, well, we can say like the first Monday, for example, etc. And so there's a lot of controls there to do repeating events. Now let's pick the location, and the location, this is going to be at the Almendinger, assuming I'm spelling this properly, and the address. Now once you paste in the address, the website will automatically locate it, and you can also have it show the map. And so this map will show up when you actually publish the content to the web. Now the next section, event costs and tickets, we won't charge anything. Organizer contact info. So this is useful if people want to know who to email to ask questions or to help out or do whatever. Let's see, Santa's going to run this thing. I don't know his phone number, but let's use his North Pole address. And here's where we can put a lot of description about what the party is, what to bring, what to expect, what not to do or whatever. So we'll say it's an awesome Christmas party, potluck, and so you can flesh this out to whatever you want. And let's add a featured image. We'll just pull our last year's Christmas party picture. So we'll set that as a featured image. Of course, I'm kidding. That's not from last year's party, at least not our party. And the event categories, you don't have to do this, but it's kind of nice to identify for this particular event what type of thing it is. And this will change the color on the calendar so people can see, and they can filter. They can look for events or look just for meetings or whatever. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and hit publish. There we go. Now it's published. So we're going to jump to the web page and take a look at it. But before we do that, I want to show you this other feature here, which is to see all events. So as you're adding events, or if you want to edit events, this will show you a list of every single event and we can go through and modify it as as whatever. So now let's go to the website and let's look for that event. Now here is the website with events on the right. It won't show up here because this one's only showing the next 5, and the Christmas party is still a little ways out. But if you hit the view calendar, you'll see the calendar and list of events. Here's the colors, so this is how it knows the type of event. Remember the little whether it's a social thing or whatever. So let's go to December, and we should see the Christmas party on the, oh, that's November. It's at December. There's the Christmas party. So let's go, oh, look at that. That looks like a fun party. So if you click on that, here is the date, time, the address information, a map that you can zoom into. You can add it to your personal calendar, so it automatically shows up on your personal Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, whatever. And then here's all the details, etc. So there you go. That is how you add an event to the calendar. Hopefully that was helpful.